everyone. It's the media. Welcome to the channel. Over the weekend, I have just been so anxious for the stock market to open again because over the weekends we have had so many good news and so many catalysts that I think it's going to affect some of the companies that I've recommended, and in fact some of the companies I've bought and own on this coming Monday. One of which is BNGO. If you had bought BNGO the time the video came out, which it ended, at one point at trading at $1.90, $2 or so. And I bought at $2.10. It's now after hours trading at $4. And I think if Cathie Wood buys into this company, it's gonna ride its way up, just like Nano Dimensions, to $10. Also, I had another video out on GBTQ. It's a company relating to Bitcoin, and you know what? Bitcoin went up really much over the weekend. By the time that video that I made, GBTQ, Bitcoin was at $28,000. Now it's up $33,000. And in fact, I only bought a few $100s of Bitcoin because there's no way I can buy a whole Bitcoin. That's just too expensive. But I bought into Bitcoin, the actual coin, because I wanted to be invested into this company. Normally, when I'm invested into something, then it gives me the motivation to do additional research on it. And sure enough, I have been looking up Bitcoin-related companies. Sort of like build and start an infrastructure, Bitcoin infrastructure, to prepare for that giant growth that everyone has been predicting. Some analysts have said that Bitcoin could go up to $100,000 to $200,000. Cathie Wood actually said that Bitcoin can get up to $500,000, and so her company has been loading up on GBTQ. So if you have not had a chance to look at my video on GBTQ, please do so. It has a lot of information relating to the company. But before I talk about this new company relating to Bitcoin, I just want to, thanks everyone for liking and sharing the company. If you like the content of this and every other videos, please like and share the video. It really helps with the growth of this company. Also, in the description box, there are two links that takes you to two trading platforms that are very popular right now. I also use them. And if you put $100 in there, you get free 4 stocks. So please do that if you're ready to trade. So the company that I am going to talk to you today is called Digital, BTBT. I have not bought into this company yet, but I think I will buy on Monday. The company whole sole focus is into Bitcoin mining, and when I got wind of this company, one of the things that got me interested in the company is the fact that one of their catalysts that came out for December 2020 for their own company is that they have launched an additional 17,996 units of miners. To me, this tells me immediately the immediate demand for Bitcoin is to hire more Bitcoin miners. So they're seeing that there is a huge future growth. So this company, right now, they have 40,865 miners. Their hash rate is 2,253.5 miners. And so far, since inception, this company started mining in February of this year, and they have mined 1,331.2 Bitcoin. So I have a graph here included for you guys to see their progress in terms of mining so far. So I think if you believe in where Bitcoin is going, and that Cathie Wood said that it's going to be a reserve, it's sort of similar like to gold, becoming kind of like a commodity, so to speak, then I think that it's definitely it's an area where you want to consider. Now, this kind of stocks, I know that a lot of you guys did not view the GBTQ Bitcoin video as much as all the other penny stocks, but I can tell you that most of the time I invest in very long term. So I buy a lot of these companies that have exponential growth in the future, and that's how you build wealth. It's not just the penny stock. You buy it for $4 and it goes up to $10 and then you sell it. Yes, there is some money, and in fact, I'm buying 2 penny stocks right now and waiting for them to go up so I can sell, so I can buy some of these long-term stocks, because that is how you build wealth in companies that will be explosive in the future. So that's just all I'm going to say today. Thanks again, everyone, for tuning in. If you like the information that I provided, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, and I look forward to trading on Monday. Please comment and let me know if you bought into any of the companies, if you've already bought into BNGO and you're going to ride it out, or what your plan is. Please let me know. I'm very excited to know what other companies that I have introduced to you that you think has potential, because I want to make sure that I produce content that is that is interesting to you. So thanks again, and talk to you soon.